tiger was never the enemy, just a guardian gone wild. 400 centuries feeding it fear, now it sleeps like a child.
After nervy culpas lightning and Sasmida's final pearl, comes Sahaja, the ground that remains when even mountains dissolve.
Not another peak to climb, not a state to hold, just the absence of separation in the ordinary and the bold.
Samadhi, living as spontaneity. Phone rings, emails scream, yet the silence never leaves me.
Tiger purring in my lap while I answer the call. No meditator, no doer, only the universe playing through it all.
The nervous system rewired, Vegas singing in the street. Everyday life becomes a temple where the silence and the world meet.
Fletcher in the argument, old heat rising in his chest. Then something looks and giggles, the whole scene laid to rest.
Words still come, hands still tied, body still feels the rain, but nobody owns it anymore, just the wind wearing a name.
Supermarket, avocados, board meetings, tax forms too, all arising in the silence. Nothing left to do.
The phone is not the problem, the owner of the phone was the lie. When there is no longer an owner, even the ring is the divine.
Dharma mega cloud rains wisdom without any effort or strain. Ramana lived it while dying, the body ached, the silence remained.
Practice disappears, the staircase falls away. You become the mountain, watching tourists climb what they think is you today. Gamma still dances while chopping onions, heart coherent in the fray. The tiger hunts when needed, but no longer hunts the one who pets it every day. No contradiction, the purr and the deadline coexist. This is the next operating system.
Spontaneous unity kick.